So for UJ, I want to clear this previous trade. Boss, boss, F boss. The wick here. I like the wick here. Now, I wanna wait for a rejection. So the first sign of rejection, I'm not gonna take the trade unless we do close here, like close or liquidate this area and then reject. Am I echoing?
Nah, it's not you, man.
So I want to wait for this part to reject, and then after a rejection on the H4, we could take a swing trade. I don't know how I feel about the swing trade. What I really want to see is an M5 rejection, as in something like this. So chalk happened, F boss, some sort of liquidity, and then comes down to this demand zone. And then after this rejection here, I still wouldn't take it. I'd wait for it to maybe break this high here to confirm that, okay, everything's lining. That's like 3 confirmations that we're bullish. That's when I'll take the trade. So I'm not gonna force the UJ long on the H4 because I know that people on the 5 minutes right now, they see these candles and they start entering. We're not gonna do that. Maybe set alert. No, I'm not gonna set alert because I feel like it's gonna break anyways. So
You gonna take this unfunded or no?
No, I'm not.
Or
I'm not
personal?
gonna take this on personal. If we get the rejection tomorrow, then I'll take it on a challenge. I wouldn't risk real funds during the end of the year. It's not worth it. So wait for H4 candle close, and then after candle close, look for M5 continuations. M5, M15. The higher the time frame, the better. So I'm waiting for that. It's rejecting now. What's the... How many pips? Are you guys taking this? I'm not taking it, but are you guys taking it? You are?
Yeah, I might, yeah.
Okay.
But the thing is, that the Funded X challenge shit hasn't started yet. It doesn't start till the 30th.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So I'll keep an eye on you, Jay. Wait, what's the so I'm gonna jump to M15. I'll light M1, H1, 1 to 10. I 1 to 16.
You target that 4-hour structure though, the high.
The high of the H4.
Is a strong structure. Yeah.
Wait.
Or you could even target the supply.
Yeah, you could, yeah. Supply would make more sense. 1 to 14. Alright, if we take UJ for 1 to 14, how much should I risk on this? Because point some when the music calc. So let's do 0.3 times 14. That's 4.2%. 0.45 times 14. 6.3%. So around 6% gain. Yeah, I'll just take on a challenge. And risk like 0.7%. 0.7 times 14. Yeah, that would pass an account. Yeah, I'll wait for this, so I'm gonna keep this on outlooks. USDJ. Okay. Are you guys eyeing anything else for Forex or no?
Nah, I haven't seen anything.
Alright. Oh, what happened?
AU possibly in a 1 hour, but did break structure.
Popcat is in my area. Okay. Now, it did reject. Wait for a boss F plus continuation. Okay, that's a very good plan. Now, I want to see what's happening. Came in, reject. Break a structure from here. and then a demand zone from here. Okay. I'm gonna wait for this reaction to come in today. So this is the trade I'm going to take today. Boss, F boss continuation. Just like how we planned out. Not to enter yet. Sell little boss F boss continuation. After the clean rejection, bias will remain long. Now I'm gonna wait for this to come in and then have my stop loss at this protected low. And then, alright, so what is that? After rejection, we'd get around 2.5% stop loss. This would be a conservative take profit, this area here, because it's the supply zone. Boss, and then another target would be around here. Okay. This looks like a good deal. Waiting to confirm. So Popcat, we've had 3 losses in a row already. So 7 Popcat. Risk to reward, not sure yet. M15 continuation. M15. So I think it's clean on the M5. Way clean on the M5. Okay, so M5. Waiting for M5. So M5 confirmation. And then now let's mark up the overall structure of everything. So M15, H1. What zone was this? This was the H4 zone? Yeah, H4 zone. Alright, so we have 1 intraday and then 1 for swing. Yeah. H4, structure bullish. Okay. And then probably called five. I'd give this around New York. So if this comes into New York, can you guys hear me? Can you? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. I reckon this would come down during New York. We're gonna build a liquidity range for now. So all this is gonna be liquidity for down here. So I'm gonna clear this part because we know what we're looking for. We planned it out yesterday and then now the plan's pretty much playing out. But it hasn't given us an entry yet. Mark this X. And then we're gonna wait for this. So this is I reckon we go break even from here. This would be break even. And then this could be a conservative profit. If we come into here and then reject this area, candle close below, we'll exit the trade. But if we don't get like maybe 2 candle closes below and it goes back up, breaks the high, we're leaving it to run. Because I wanna target all the way up here for a 1 to 7 minimum. That's the minimum I want. And then if we also didn't get a rejection there, we can target way higher. All these demand zones will now become useless. I mean, all these supply zones will become useless. And then we can target the H4 all the way up here with a few take profits, maybe around these highs. This would be a good conservative take profit as well. I'll mark up the whole candle. There you go. So that's 2 trades to look for the day. Just UJ and Popcat. Let's look at whiff. Fuck. I did hella analysis here. What did I get? I got a break even-ish on whiff. I need to record this down as well. I was gonna take this, but there's no confirm. Price didn't reject above. So I'm gonna clear that, clear this. Make everything a bit easier. So judging from yesterday, this is a trade that we would have taken, but didn't. So that was a break even missed. And then after that, we had this demand zone. Price coming out of the demand zone. But I'm not really liking the range it's building. I would want to wait for a boss F boss at least. So I'll still keep my outlooks, but now we're still waiting for a continuation. So look for continuation, boss, F boss. Oh, I've got Muay Thai in 30 minutes, but I can't be fucked. It's too, my neck hurts too much. How's this for confirmation? How's this for confirmation on 1M? It's M1 with a liquidity sweep plus chalk. Remove chalk to close above. So yeah, the liquidity sweep came in, but that's not a chalk. You can't really mark that as a chalk because it's a candle wick. You need a candle close above, and even once you get a candle close above, you could enter the trade, or you could wait for a double confirmation, which is an internal liquidity like F boss internally, and then come back down to the demand zone. So it's not the highest probability to play.
Yeah, right at the end there.
Sorry?
Waiting for chalk. Yeah, right at the waiting for chalk to
You
close
wait?
above.
Oh, you went down?
to
Okay,
be
yeah,
valid.
good. With actually, I'm gonna jump to M5. Fuck, price action is very nice on the M5. Okay, I'm gonna mark this breaker structure here, because I think that price has already reacted off this breaker structure, and then it came from this internal structure break here. IB, and then we missed the trade, and this would have been break even. You know, this high getting repped, that would have been break even. BE, but because we missed this internal move, I reckon that if price does come down to stop us out, even though we didn't take the trade, I would take the trade from here. So I'm gonna sell it here for whiff. So that's 3 trades ready for the day or tomorrow morning, and then we can have a crazy ass target. I'm not even kidding. So with M5, Popcat 8 is with, pair with M5 confirmation, and I'm just gonna mark out the overall structure of it, because I've taken a lot of trades on with. They didn't play out, but they do react. So I'm gonna look for, judging from the previous trades, I'm gonna look for exits based off reactions instead of full take profits, because obviously these full take profits don't work on these shit coins. H4. Like I've seen bags go $1,000, $2,000 going to stop loss, not even break even. So I don't know. I just want to be more conservative now for previous trades. So we've got pending and pending. So that's 3 losses in a row. I'm not proud of that, but we're still up. Not much though. I'm waiting for whiff. So we have Popcat, USD, JPY, whiff, and let's look at people. So for people, I see where I went wrong. I marked out this area, which wasn't an H4 area, and what ended up being an H4 area was around this entire zone here, which price came in, rejected, and then we could have made a refinement from the area. But the thing was, this trade wouldn't make sense to me because it wouldn't be aligning with structure. This demand zone here aligns with structure, boss F boss, came in, rejected, you know, you could have taken the trade. But looks like price came for a deep mitigation to this area here where we can refine. So honestly, I would have not taken this trade. It didn't align with structure, because if it did, this would have been the break structure here and there was no F boss. But I still want to take a continuation of this. Well, I'm not gonna force it. I'll still keep it in the watch list, but I'm not gonna force it. So I'm gonna let price develop a bit. Maybe come back tomorrow for it, and then we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go to Pepe. Did I journal this? Yeah, I journaled it. I journaled it as a loss. It gave us a very good chalk, F boss, and then a very good rejection. It was reacting for a bit. I was like, yep, up one now. This is the trade, and then got wrecked. So I've already journaled it. I'm going to clear it now. I put so much time into this trade as well. I'll get back to H4. See if there's a better zone. Okay, so there's no better zone. Maybe because it's a meme coin. But judging from this price action, I'm no longer bullish. After that, after my demand zone got wrecked, I'm now jumping down to look for a short bias. So now the whole time, I know that since this demand zone failed, this is now a break of structure to me. And then the recent supply zone is what I'm looking to short, because I don't want to be marking out this supply zone, this supply zone, this supply zone, this supply zone, potentially shorting all those zones, because you have a risk of price just demolishing you, and then you take 5 losses. But I want to be a bit more logical with the setups, the structure. So we have a change character here, and then a change character here, and then this could be an F boss. But before I mark this an F boss, let's see if it did do anything. So judging from this change character, we had this internal breaker structure. And I'm just getting a little technical here. And then we have this supply zone getting respected, right? So mark that red. That supply zone got respected, create a new structure. So now I'm gonna nudge this to become a breaker structure. And then the next structure break could be an F boss. So potentially I'm now not taking this area anymore, so I want to mark this SMT, smart money trap, and then I want to mark this supply zone. So if price reacts off here, I don't care. You know, since it's the recent structure supply zone, I will take it. But judging from more market analysis, and you guys see how I'm just taking my time looking at what's really happening instead of rushing the S&Ds or rushing the structure. I'm marking everything out to make the story make more sense. I just want to see everything align in order to take the trade. More logic. So Pepe, we had break structure, F boss, and the external boss broke as well. So I'm going to mark this H4. Because if I go to the H4, it's literally a 4-hour break structure to the downside. So I'm going to go back to H1. I mark this as the supply zone. Now the story is, it's a boss F boss and supply. Reacted the entire trade reactor of this structure break here. So change character, internal break structure, supply zone reacted with this small touch here. And then after that reaction, it created a new structure. And this is all internal, because it's all internal to this H4 breaker structure. So we have this breaker structure, this internal breaker structure, this internal F boss, new supply zone. So now I'm going to set alerts there and look for shorts. Ooh, 3% stop loss is a bit much, but that's alright. And then we can target this low. And the reason why I would target this low instead of any demand zone is because there's no demand zone or no structure showing bullish momentum. We only see structure going to the downside. So I'm gonna mark this for Pepe. 9 Pepe. So what is that? H1. And then H4 bearish. So what am I calling?
Yeah, Eddie, that 1 minute chalk closed.
The 1 minute shot closed?
Yeah, on UG.
I'm gonna wait for F boss. I'm not gonna rush it. But are you taking it?
Yeah, on the FTMO trial. Just a trial one.
What's your risk to reward?
I'm running a 14 pip stop loss because I entered at the chalk,
Yeah.
and I've got it up to the hour 4 highs, but I'm gonna put B at 3R. So right now it's 21.8.
21.8.
That's the 4-hour highs, and I entered at the chalk.
Don't target the highs. You're being delulu. Because
You reckon too much?
you're going to be holding the trade for like 2 weeks, bro.
True. I've got it to right now. I don't have it all the way to that supply. I have it at 154.737.
Bro, my PC's been laggy, bro. No, PC, my laptop's been laggy. Oh, fuck. Okay.
I looked on the 1 hour and the 30, and there's no decent supply zones to target.
Oh, I hate doing this, but it's more clean on the S 15 seconds. We have the cleanest demands in here. If anything, I'm gonna wait for this. This could all be liquidity. 2023 masterclass. We can get a six, not probably a 5 pip stop loss. Okay, we'll see what happens for UJ here. Hopefully some type of F boss forms, and then this is more better. Okay. I'll move this to the top. We've done people, we did Pepe, we did... I'm looking at Soul. Bro, Soul did me so dirty. Oh. Gotta stop there. I already journaled it. I want to clear it. H4, H1. See, I knew this was liquidity, but the setup was too clean not to take. But that was fine. And then now, my next area would be around this area, 207. So I'm going to avoid Soul. Since I'm avoiding Soul, I'm going to kick out of the list. Crypto, I've pretty much marked up everything I wanted to look for in this outlooks here. Everything else, I don't see a possible trade. Let's look at ACT. Did this run without me? Because if it did, then we can just clear it from the charts. Yeah, fucking ran, bro. So we missed another trade. So, because I wanted liquidity to clear, it did give us a good confirmation, but when I opened the chart, it was already rejecting, and I don't want to take the risk. So we did make this, we did miss this result. Missed trade. Now I'm thinking like for these trades, if they're already going to react and miss, maybe we could risk even 0.1, and then if it wins, you know, that's whatever the R is, let's say 3-4 R, that's the next risk for the next trade. You know, pretty much risk free, but I don't want to firm it too much. I want to be more conservative and be a bit logical with the trades. So I'm gonna give this a tick because it already played out, but obviously we missed it. Same as the Bitcoin and Ethereum long. The only thing that's worked out was this trade here. This is a beautiful trade. Okay, and then XRP, oh yeah, you got wrecked. No confirm. So this trade was also done as well. Pepe. Forward test. I'm gonna clear this because it was just a forward test. LTC. Let's look at LTC. It reacted off this demand zone. From this internal breaker structure. But even though it reacted, I would have not taken the trade. And the reason for this is because I've seen these setups play out and I've seen them not play out. So you guys could develop a system with this Boss IB system. However, for me, I don't see... I don't have the highest probability with this win rate, and I don't have enough data. I needed an F-Boss in order to confirm anything. Maybe you could say Boss IB and then this internal liquidity here, but that's not enough data for me to test. Honestly, I can't be fucked like doing all the testing here. If you guys want to do it, you can, and give me the results. But for me, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to stick to my normal system. It works better. So that's results on H1. So I'm going to give this a tick. And then, not a trade I would take. H-bar. Did we end up getting the confirms? H-bar USDT. Let me check if you guys say anything. You guys say anything? The chat. Jib USDT. Yeah, I'll look for Jib. Yeah, I'll look at it after this. So this hasn't happened to anything yet.
How do you always find all these weird cryptos?
Okay, so they're all linked inside this pie here. It's all the coins are here. Like it's literally on a watch list on where you can trade, and you just scroll through and look at where you can trade. And then after you look at where you can trade, you want to look at the charts, see what's available. If nothing is available, you just move on to the next charts. You don't want to go into the
It's
charts
been
and
better
force it.
lately than Forex.
So yeah, oh yeah. There's more setups in crypto. Like, way more setups, bro. It's like the challenge I did last time. I flipped 10k to 50k. It was all because I just scrolled through all the crypto coins every single day. But I didn't stream it. That's why I want to stream it and do it again. Like, it's just better. Fuck, you entered a good long, bro. I can't lie. You actually entered a good long. It liquidated the low. It liquidated the protected low. And then it didn't even close it below. It closed above. And you had the... I think it's clean on 2 hours. Yeah. You had a clean boss F boss, bro. I reckon just hold the long. Actually, mom saw just hold the long. Not financial advice. So that's the structure for Dupe. And then go to M15. Oh, bro, that's the cleanest rejection you'll see. Obviously, I missed out on the trade because I didn't mark this out. But I'm going to add this to my watch list now. It's got clean as structure. But instead of me FOMOing and taking the trade, I'm just going to mark out potential structure. So I'm on the M15. Normally, someone would mark this on the M15. But they don't know why it's reasonable on the M15. They don't understand that I've got this demand zone here. They would just mark this out and not worry about the other structure. But for me, I always have to start from a high time frame. And then if this M15 structure reacts to this demand zone here, then it would make more sense to take trade rather than not using any H4 alignment. So if price does go down, I am going to look for it over here. Maybe at a high zone. Give me a second.
Wait, how come you don't just take the trade off the hour 4 if you have a confirm? Like, why do you wait for a 15-minute?
Why are you rushing it? Why are you forcing it? You don't have to force it. If you, the risk reward is better if you wait. You could swing it. It's up to you. It's actually up to you if you want to swing it. But for me nowadays, I would want all the confirmations in the world, all the most reasonable logic in the world in order to take a trade, because I'm putting real money on the line. I'm not trading a demo. You know, it needs to really make sense for me to risk my money.
Yeah, that's fair. So you wait for a zone inside your
I
hour
have
4
to.
zone,
I have to,
essentially.
bro. Yeah. Sometimes
It's like
like
a double confirmation.
even if I want to FOMO this year, because I've got a bad history of psychology, I would wait even if I want to long this, like right here, because it's aligning with H4. I would still mark out a little break structure and then a demand zone, because I was gonna take it regardless. What about I be patient about it and make more sense to it? So you could take it from here, but I'll take here. I've already got 3 outlooks for the day. 4 trades, like that's potentially, even if it's $500 risk each, I'm risking $2,000 for the day. Or why at 2.5? Why at 3,000? You don't want to do that. It's different you're trading a demo or a funded challenge, but you're taking real money. You don't want to do that, bro. You got real shit at stake. Wait, what are you targeting? No worries. What are you targeting? Oh, you're asking for price tag. I reckon a good target would be around here. It's a 10% move. Like, it doesn't look like much on the charts, but that's a 10% move, bro. And with crypto, 10% moves it's hard. Dropping on the 1 hour. I lied. You could take profit here, but if I was in this trade, or if I get this confirmed tonight, bro, mom saw I'm holding it not to these highs, but you got a structure here. You got take profit here. You got potential take profits from maybe this area as well. But you're in a very good trade. I can't lie. I'm actually jealous. Did I keep an eye on it? Yeah, I did. Okay. I've entered this trade. I want to see how this plays out as well. I'm gonna journal this as well. 10 here. Wow. So far, I've got a really good track record with WLD. It's giving me a previous win of 1 to 6, and then the train I'm in right now is also running, which is good. So, what is it? What? Sorry, I crashed out a bit. M15. M15 trade plus structure. Okay, now I want to jump down to the M5. I want to show you guys what I looked at. So I saw this happen. We had a stranger character here, and then mind you, I woke up around here. Like I literally woke up around here. No, I lied. I was in the trade last night, I reckon. It was either this morning or last night. Cause I remember I woke up and I went back to sleep. Cause I was like, oh, what am I doing? I've got so much time. And then we had this. Here. And then, was it the M3? What did I eye out? Okay, so it's definitely this here. And then I marked out this internal structure here. Boss, F boss, and then this entire demand here, and then the rejection would be around here. My entry was around here. Stop loss around here. Let me fix that real quick. So 2.244. Okay, that's a $300 risk on the account. Didn't risk 500, only risked 300. Because the RR was pretty good, the risk to reward. I target this high here. That's a 20% move. And that's way too high. So stop loss, the take profit I already adjusted at 2.8. And then, so I'm risking $300 US to make 1.65. So $1,650 USD. I'm just gonna let that ride for the day. Because I'm already in the trade. Pending as well. Date be 27th. Okay, so I'm gonna move this. Actually, I'm not gonna move it because sometimes these trades can come in and they hit take profit earlier than the trade I'm in right now. So I'm just gonna leave these numbers as they are, and then we'll see what happens. Catch Chef. Let me clear this. Catch Chef is bullish. We have this demand zone here. Price respected the demand zone. We had an internal breaker structure here. And then we had this F-boss here. And this F-boss had really good liquidity. And then we had this liquidity here. Now, alright, so I'm just gonna mark this out. H4, boss, F-boss, demand. Hey Ash, this is what I was talking to you about. You need to mark out these type of structures and then look for the low time frame continuations afterwards. M5. So H4 we have done. I'm gonna look at M5. It's taking time. It's taking its time to load. Give it a second. Okay, there we go. So now we're approaching structure again. We have this breaker structure, internal breaker structure again. And this is mimicking the H4 that I just marked out. It had an external breaker structure here and then internal breaker structure coming into this area here. Ooh. This looks like a very good long run. You gonna take that? Yeah, I might take it. I actually might take it. 1 to 6. Give me a second.
And then that down, like that move down, is just all internally.
Yeah. Now what am I doing, bro? I was about to take on the personal. Nah. Chill. I need to understand that price action isn't as clean as this year's. It's gonna be as choppy to the end of the year. So I'm gonna look for a challenge to take it on. I'm just gonna forward test it. I shouldn't be trading Forex at all. I'm just gonna forward test it. Add this to watch list. Okay, that's the setup. This is the setup. We'll see what happens. You guys want me to eye anything out? Or are you guys eyeing anything out?
Nah, I got nothing. I'm trying to look in AU, but not much.
AU. Sweet. Okay. H bar, no trade. Tell. This was no confirm. I'm gonna get back to H4. This is what I marked out for you. I remember when you were trying to take this, I was like, what are you doing, bro? H1. So this is no alignment. AU's bearish. AU's bearish for sure. But the thing is with this entire structure, right? Like, it's just a range. I don't know how you're trading AU, bro. I want to see like some type of H4 boss F boss to the downside. I don't really see anything for AU. I wouldn't be trading it. Fuck, should I get a massage today? My head hurts, bro. Use big fun. And my link too. Oh, yeah. Okay, so Tau actually, it didn't come down to the areas I wanted. So I'm gonna clear the alerts, but I can see what actually happened. So instead of coming onto our chalk or boss, it reacted off the F boss, and then we can confirm this F boss to be just real structure because price came into the demand zone created by the breaker structure. It rejected, and then from then on everything here was invalid. It then created, it was a boss F boss, my bad. So we missed this trade here, right? This rejection, and then it went flying to take profit even higher, and then it created a new structure, which is here, breaker structure. F boss here. New structure, new demand zone. And what happened? Came into the new demand zone, gave us another trade. So we could have taken 2 clean trades and then just targeted the highs or supply. In this case, well, I would say break even. Yeah, we would have went break even before taking profit. And then structure just kept going up from there. So we missed this, but I do want to add this on my watch list because of how clean it moves. Something I want to check out every single day. And then what happened? It gave us another breaker structure here internally. After this breaker structure, we then got this F boss here. And then what happened, guys? Came into this demand zone again, and we missed another trade. Rejected right here, body close, stop loss at this low, target the highs, and we would have been like, oh guys, it's about to take profit on stream, and then I would have made TikTok, 100k views. That's alright. So this is another trade we missed. So Tau, I'm just gonna say missed trade. Missed opportunities for being too patient. And there's nothing wrong with being too patient. It's better to be too patient than to not be patient at all. So I'm actually gonna mark this X.
Yeah, Eddie, on that UJ, there's a 1M BOS now as well.
1 second. Cross. UJ. Fuck, bro. How much money did I miss on this? So 4, 6, 10, 14, 14R. Holy shit. We missed out on 14R in a span of just 4 days. 14R in 4 days. 4.5 days. That's $500 risk. And what's that? 2.8 grand? Jeez. 7 grand? What is it? Is that 7 grand? 14 times 500. That's 7 grand, yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh. But now I know the pairs to trade. You know, these pairs. Out of the 300 pairs, these are the nicest pairs. UJ 1 minute. What'd you say? Create an F boss.
No, just a break structure. You waiting for the F boss?
That is the F boss.
Oh, true.
Okay. I'm definitely taking this trade, and then I'm definitely gonna take profit here. And then I'll leave like a 10% bag running.
What if it keeps running with that?
I'll leave a 10%. I'll leave a 10% bag running, and then for marketing purposes, because I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, guys, I caught this 1 to 100 with 10% bag. But
What if it keeps running and it doesn't come back down to the zone?
bro, your psychology is ass, bro. Your psychology is the worst. Why does it matter? It's 1 out of 1,000 trades. If it keeps running, you miss out. You know, next week there's more setups. It doesn't matter.
Would you just go for like another demand zone? Or would you just leave it entirely?
You just leave it. Unless, judging from the other trade I was talking about, the 3 trades I missed, you can just look for another boss F boss continuation from maybe up here, or maybe if price comes up here, you get another boss F boss continuation, you take it here. You wouldn't be shorting at all because you know that the bias is bullish. So now you keep your eyes on the pair. You miss the trade, but you still keep an eye on the pair because you know how to trade it now. Everything's aligning bullish. You only look for bullish continuations. You only look for shorts. When you miss a trade here, you just look for continuations. Because it already reacted. Like, you don't have to look, stress too much about it. Someone talking community chat? Yeah, the slippage is pretty bad. Same as the spreads for X. But that's the only prop firm that I know the owner of, so you will get paid. And the problem is, how are you gonna pay it if you can't really trade it? But if you guys want to get profit, stick to FTMO. I didn't take this trade. I forward tested it. The reason why I didn't take it was because the candle closed below. So I was like, not worth it. I think Bitcoin's bearish. I'm going to short Bitcoin today. This first initial touch here it's gonna get liquidity swept. So I'm gonna mark it X. No. I have a template for it. My bad. Mark this supply zone out. Short position right here. So I want price to clear that liquidity. Or 0.37% stop loss, and then target this low here, 1 to 11. This is going to be on my watch list as well. Wait for liquidity to get swept. Already on M15, just look for candle rejection. And that's the trade for the day. So now we got, how many trades for there? Oh fuck, we have a lot. So knowing that we have a lot, maybe drop the risk to $300 each instead of 500. If we had like 2 setups for the day, I'm risking $1,000. But if we have this many setups, it wouldn't be wise to risk $1,000 each. They all lose. I lose 10 bands. No point. Hey, does orange juice expire? I'm drinking orange juice I left outside. I didn't put it in the fridge. Tastes like shit. Oh fuck. Motherfucker tastes like shit. That's alright. Okay, so we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin shorts. Everyone's trying long Bitcoin. Maybe add it to notes. Crypto notes. Stash toggle. What's today's date? 27th. 11. BTC aligning shorts. Wait. For crypto longs, look for exits. So that means W long. Look for exits if BTC confirms bearish. And then take shorts rather than longs today. So if the alerts hit for shorts, I'm taking it. If a longs alerts hit, I'm not going to take it unless Bitcoin gives that confirmation. So see short confirmation. So that's what I'm doing for the day. What's the time right now? It's 4 p.m. my time, probably 8 p.m. your guys' time. I reckon this would be good for maybe tomorrow morning. I'll wake up early. I'll skip Muay Thai if there's a trade, because that's like 5 bags I might miss out on. So I'm gonna see what happens. If price is just ranging in the morning, I'll get a Muay Thai and then I'll stream in London. But as of right now, that's all the potential setups we're seeing. You guys have any questions or anything to say? So, bro, I know him in real life. In real world, so he's live a couple streets away. Yeah, I feel like everyone knows AJ for something, bro. But he won't, trust me, he won't do favors for everyone, bro. You need to provide some sort of value for those favors. Look at premium chat. Why does the website so like? That's Owen's website. So Owen creates the stuff for it. Yeah, no favors, bro. So Funded Pro. Funder Pro. Yeah, this is Owen's website. He's the owner of TradeLocker, and then he basically creates new websites for the new profits that want to get started. They just need to wear about marketing, and Owen owns all this. It looks exactly like FundedX. What else should I eye for the day? I don't think there's anything else to eye for the day. I would look at crypto, but it's not really something I want to trade. The forex market isn't something I want to trade right now. Wait, let me have an outlook. Let me look at my outlooks real quick. Outlooks, Eddie's outlooks. Forex. I even made a video on my forex outlooks. I don't have much for it. I just have UJ, which is the 4 hours I marked for you guys, and then we did this as well. And then we have GU. This is what I wanted to see for GU, right? Had everything planned out for GU, but it's rejected without going into my area, and it's created a new structure. And then I see people in the group chat trying to trade it. I don't know why you guys are trying to trade it. It's just a range in my opinion. Like, I think it's because you marked out this demand zone here. I'm sorry, this break structure, this FBOSS, and then you marked out this supply zone. You guys went short, and then maybe you would have targeted this demand zone. It didn't hit. Got break even. This is not a valid trade to me. The reason is because it's just something on the N15. It's not aligning with any structure. This is what's aligning with structure. That's what we were waiting for. It never came in. So GU missed. UJ is still in the trade. And then AU, I was looking for longs in H1, but I even said, mind you, external was bearish, so I didn't take the trade, and I left it. No confirmation as well. So AU is out, UJ out, GU out, GBP, JPY. Again, just not my week. Just really not my week. Chef JPY. Did this get obliterated? Yeah, it got obliterated. It gave the it wicked down. Sorry, it didn't wick down. It just gave like a little tap down and then it rejected. But it wasn't enough to take the trade. It wasn't worth it. Price wasn't really like I want to see Price do something like this. Hold on. I want to see Price go in and then starts rejecting and then we get that M5 confirmation, but we get none of that shit. It's just like a cannon close is not enough. We need like 1 or 2, or sorry, not 1 or 2. We need like 2 to 3, or we need an M5 continuation, which we don't get. So it's not worth taking the trade. It's just like a guess. Like I guess it'll reject. Like it's not enough. We need more story to it, more information. So Jeff JPY was now invalid. Euro JPY. I had a good marking for this as well. I had the supplies I want to take. What I was looking for, I want to see a rejection here and then not take the trade yet. I want to wait for M5 continuation there and then take the trade. So wait, this is shorts here. Yeah, H4 shorts. Wait, am I tripping out? Euro Jap. What I mark this demand zone for? Well, wait, I'm confused. So 25th was when I marked it. 25th was on here. Oh, okay. So it never came into the zone. Another invalid trade. AUD CAD. So this week I didn't take any forex trades. Bearish from that zone there. Oh, same arms. Wait. Oh no, that was on the weekly. No, I'm tripping. I marked this on the weekly. So it reacted off of that. Yeah, it did. And then we were trying to look for continuation to the downside. So AUD CAD is bearish. We could look for a bearish move here. So look guys, if you guys open the M15 charts and you see this, the structure is not bullish. Alright. I know people mark shit out like, oh, let's go in the M15 time frame, break a structure here, and then a F-boss here, and price reacted off, we missed the trade, oh my god, let's FOMO win. Just because price action like this has happened on the M15, it doesn't mean structure is bullish. It could give you a reaction, it could play out, but it's not bullish. You need to cycle through the time frames. We're tapping on the high time frame and then cycle down. You don't want to start on the M5, M15. You need to start on the H4 or weekly or daily, and then make your way down so you have a better idea of where the market is headed. To me, this is just a range. I'm not seeing anything. I'm avoid this pair as well. Oh, who's tagging me? Oh, no worries, bruh. Oh, you're not in here. No worries, bruh. EJ rejecting. Yeah. Got it marked to Ash already in. Hello. Oh, my clean is here. Give me a second. Yeah, can you do in 1 hour?
1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour, yeah.
What wrong?
No, 1 hour. Yeah. I'll finish up and then I go eat. Thank you. Fuck, life is good, bro. I have a daily cleaner coming in every single day. I can be a slob and she cleans everything. She just comes in whenever. And I say, oh, wait, can you wait 1 hour, 2 hours? She goes, yeah, okay. And she cleans everything for me, bro. Does all the work. And she packs my weed. She does everything. And then she does laundry, everything. And my place is always clean because of her. And it's just, bro, it's an extra 2,000 baht a month. Baht to AUD. But mom's so worth it. How much is that? You're paying an extra $90 a month. It's 2,000 baht a month extra. You're paying $89 an extra month, and she does everything for you, bro. Keeps everything clean and shit. It's so worth it, yo. Everything's so cheap in Thailand, bro. Does anyone here trade gold? No? Gold is bullish. I was thinking about making an account for gold. Or maybe buy like a 200k funded account and then only trade gold. and then have separate accounts for different pairs instead of going all in on a few pairs, and then slowly scale the accounts. I also want to have an account for USD Thai baht as well. I'll show you the weekly, because you get the cleans confirmation from USD Thai baht. So I was thinking like instead of taking this on a what's it called, personal, I'll just take this on a 200k FCMO, and then it's so easy to hit leaderboards if you just take 1% risk with a 100% win rate. The win rate, you can just mark out anything for boss F boss on UJ on the weekly, and you'll know the direction. So after this reaction here, boss F boss, you can just look for these M5, M15 continuations to the downside. And there's no crazy pullback that liquidates any highs. It just breaks its way down. Same as here, boss F boss breaks its way down. No crazy pullbacks. Same as here, boss F boss, and it's making its way up. And then had this continuation here. Ignore this, there was no F boss. But these trades do so well. You just look for these continuations, they just play out.
Yo, Ash, UJ is not looking too good, fam. That's what I was saying. It was too risky. Fucking hell. It's like
that's
doesn't look.
But that's what I said as well. I said like, look, maybe we should wait for a double confirmation, right? So I said, look, I said instead of waiting for this trade, like, cause everyone's trying to long it off this chalk. Look, we got an F boss. What do I wait for this demand zone? And then that's instead of taking the risk there, we take this demand zone, and it makes more sense to long because everything's gonna align. But I'm not gonna take the trade off here. This is just what I'm marking out. I'm actually gonna take it from this rejection here, from this entire zone. So make everything more sense.
Yeah.
And then
if you look on UJ, it's already dumping.
Yeah.
Not UJ, GJ, it's dumping. So
GJ.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. You're cycling through the JPY pairs, yeah.
Yeah, to give me a confluence. I don't know if it's gonna hold, but we'll see.
Nah, if it gets the confirmation, then we can swing it, bro. I might take this on personal with like, no, I don't want to take it on personal though. Is it worth taking the risk though? Or I need
wait for double confirmation.
No, I'm waiting for double confirmation. But I reckon I should take this on a challenge instead of risking funds, because I'm already down 60% for nearly 7% for the month. So I don't want to really touch the account. I want to wait until next year.
Good conditions.
Yeah, because, bro, like, I wiped out last month and the month before that, and then half of the month before that. So that's 3 months of my gains gone. Done like 40, 50 bags. So I just want to wait until something's clean, bro.
That's painful, fam.
Yeah, no, it is. That's why, like, I'm still, like, I want to be more smart about it. I don't want to have my psychology or mental affect anything. So I'm going to wait for... best to just take this on challenge. So worst case scenario, like, I lose like 2-3k on a challenge. It doesn't matter. Worst case scenario, I pass the challenge, And then we could ride this for the entire year. Like, the rest of the... You can literally ride this. It's H4. You just ride it for the entire year. And then just chill out.
I wouldn't even ride it for that long, to be honest. I would just enter, wait for pullbacks, enter again, keep doing that.
Oh yeah, you could do that. Because I'm saying, like, during December, this is what the markets look like. The candles look like this. Where's the pathway? The candles are literally like this.
I'm back.
And these are just the wicks. These are just the wicks.
Yeah,
and the spreads, the spreads are fucked.
No, I was trading like what was it? December, January, and February. I was just targeting 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s because 10 hours wasn't really working back then.
Yeah. No,
it was working, to be honest.
Wait. Say that again.
Basically, December, January, and fucking February. Whenever I was taking trades, I was just targeting 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, nothing crazy. You get me?
Yeah, that's better. There's no way price is gonna run 1 to 10, bro. Like, the conditions are too bad.
Yeah.
No, I'm telling you, don't trade December to January. You're just forcing money to come in, or like forcing progress. Best to wait until February. Go on holiday for 2-3 months. Come back, and then you have a better headspace, because you don't want to be forcing setups, and then you're gonna be questioning yourself like, oh, why is it not working out? Bro, what am I doing wrong? Or like, why am I losing money? You don't want to go through that, bro. And even if you have a bad month this month, you just gotta stick to it, bro. And move on.
Yeah, bro.
So that's why I'm in Thailand. I've got my visa for 2 months. So 2 months here, and then January 18th I go back to Vietnam, and then by the time I'll be in Vietnam for a month, and then I'll probably go to Japan, but that's when the conditions get better, because that's when February happens. The conditions get way better, and then you just trade then, and then probably buy setup over there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Makes sense still.
makes a lot of sense, bro.
Yeah.
But you should try altcoins for crypto, because lately they've been really liquid. They've been moving a lot. I'll show you a setup I was looking at before. Wait, let me show you the setup. Tao, this is the past 4 days that we missed out on. It's just boss F plus continuations.
That's fucking crazy.
Yeah, and it's just altcoin. And like out of 300 pairs I analyzed, these are just the pairs I'm looking at, like as of this week. It's not much, but it's all high probability
Yeah.
setups.
Fucking hell, it's not too bad to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm so mad I missed UJ cells to be honest. I think earlier this week, like around Monday, I had UJ cells. I was scaling in.
Fuck.
Couple trades went left, and then I had to
Oh.
close the one that was a swing trade just to cover my losses. By the
Oh.
time I knew it, I would have passed my challenge.
What's the
hell.
account sitting at?
It is sitting at, let me double check. I'm in drawdown for 2%.
2% drawdown. Are you
Yeah.
have you changed your risk, or are you sticking to same risk since 2% drawdown?
Same risk, 0.2.
Fuck, you lost 10 trades? Shit.
Yeah, a couple, yeah. Basically, that's what I'm talking about. Basically, the UJ trades.
Oh, okay, yeah, nah.
They fucked me over
Wait,
bad.
how many trades are you taking a day for one pair?
One pair?
Yeah. Is
No, it doesn't matter. It's like I don't take them based on one pair. I just like across all my pairs, I just
Yeah.
take whatever's available
Okay.
based on the time frame.
Okay. That's
So
fair.
if there's nothing there, I don't trade it. Basically, it's not based on pairs. I have like what, almost 6, 7 pairs.
Okay, yeah,
It's crypto.
that's pretty
so,
good.
Yeah,
That's pretty good. Okay.
yeah. I'm in what? Ethereum sells and fucking gold buys. My bad.
What buys? I'm thinking about trading options and stocks. 'Cause I want to learn how to read the fundamentals of this stuff. Because the technical aspect it does well, but I want to learn the fundamental side, so it makes more sense for me to take these trades. But I don't like these gaps. I don't like these gaps, bro.
I don't think what do you call fucking fundamentals plays in a big role in it unless you're trying to like catch a swing.
It
like
does.
for example, Trump's coming out.
Yeah, no, that's different. That's like more of a news type of thing. But like fundamental wise, I talked to an investor, and this guy's got money, bro. He doesn't use any technicals. He just uses what he's reading in like an imbalance. This is what I mean by balance, as in like profit. Wait, so unknown profit. Let's say $1 million, but company valuation just 1 million. So people don't know what the profit is for now, but he does his research, he sees the sales and shit, he does like some Google stuff. He sees that, oh, they made 1 million profit, but the company's only worth 1 million. Bro, that's the easiest like 10, 100 million valuation. And he puts money there, waits for a few years, goes up. That's why I want to learn the fundamental aspects, because I want to put my money somewhere. And then,
Okay,
Yeah.
makes sense.
yeah, that's the imbalance I'm talking about. I want to learn that shit. It's something with order flow as well, like proper order books. But I might.
No, I thought you were talking about the way most of the stock traders in the US trade. Like,
Nah, bro,
you
they're
get me?
they're broke fucks, bro. I met some of them in Dubai. Trust me, they all make the money from courses. They don't make money from trading. They use demo, bro, and they have like broker deals. It makes it look like it's real money. It's fuck. I met so many frauds, bro. But when you meet real investors, they don't use charts, bro. They don't use charts at all. They use proper order books, and they go through proper records.
Yeah.
This is the trade I marked out for NQ. Guys, I'm telling you, Boss IB is just so cracked. I marked this for like before I marked this out and took the trade, I had to do all this analysis to see if the system does work, and I was marking how much money I would have made just risking I think it was like K or some shit. And then I did all the analysis here. Look at how many wins I had. Like it was so fucked for NQ. I want to start trading futures, but I can't because it's illegal in Vietnam, and I basically live in Vietnam. So I marked this out in Vietnam. I couldn't buy a futures funded account, and then we ended up playing. This shit ended up playing out, and had a.
But you can't hold it for that long though.
Oh, Brian removed
By
it.
the end,
Yeah. I heard that as
Yeah.
well. But I had a futures chat here, and then it literally showed me marking out this entire setup. And then I was saying, guys, like, I'm waiting for price was around here. I was like, guys, this is the trade I'm looking for, waiting for it. And then I was talking to Jake about it, and then Jake was like, oh, you can't hold it for that long. It gets closed by the end of the day. And I was like, what do you mean it gets closed by the end of the day? And I was like, yeah, that's how futures work. And I was like, what? Because if I held this trade, it would have been 4 days, 5 days, a week. So they would have not let me trade it anyways.
Yeah.
But even this for my
that's what
backtesting
happened
as
to
well.
me.
Sorry?
That's what happened to me basically. I had a gold swing trade on futures. It was like the first day the second day I was doing the challenge. I had like 50% to make till the profit targets. Fucking, I had a gold trade and it was playing for so long. I just knocked out. By the time I woke up like in the morning, I looked at the charts and the trade played out. I looked at my account. They closed it out like at spread hours.
Oh, what the fuck?
I was so mad.
What the fuck? Nah, but I'm telling you, this is why futures profits are a scam, because they don't let you swing trade. If they're teaching you to trade a system every single day based off like a move every single day, you're getting scammed. That's not how the markets work, bro. You need to swing trade like these higher highs, these 4-hour highs, in order to make a proper trade. And these future profits don't allow that. So I don't know how people are profitable with it. I've seen people taking like millions of dollars in withdrawals, but using a simple ass system, and then other people can't even get profitable from it. I don't know. There's just some scam gimmick going on. But I really want to trade futures. I can't, bro.
There's one trader I know that's actually profitable from what you call futures. His name's Powell Trades. I don't know if you've seen him.
Powell trades? Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
He basically makes so much of it. Let me find his Insta. Yeah, so it's Powell.trades. He's actually profitable.
Powell.
And like he has like 20 accounts with Apex.
Wait. Send it to me. Send it to me on Twitter. Oh, wait. What? How do I spell it?
Powell. Let me. POWELL.trades on Instagram.
Trades. Oh, I don't have Instagram. Wait. Hold on.
Give me a second.
My Instagram got banned. Both my accounts. They took down my my crypto account, and they took down my personal account.
Damn.
Are you sure
I
it's
don't know
profitable?
his Twitter, but I'll send his Instagram thing to the group chat. Give me a second.
Oh, he's with Apex Trader? Nah, I don't trust him, bro. Anyone who's got like huge withdrawals with Apex Trader funds, just
Yeah.
I can't tell you too much information because, bro, I'm gonna get killed. But just be really like conservative, yeah. Like all of these problems, you need to be conservative. That's how I can't really promote these firms unless I go through the records. Like, it's really easy to pay an influencer and show the big withdrawals. Just like Sawyer Markets, they gave Mamba FX. They gave Mamba FX 500k withdrawals, all fucking fake. They offered me the same shit, but they're not like they're not really connected.
platform
They're
is that?
more like they are connected. They can do stuff to me, but bro, they're fucking Indian, bro. I'm not scared. And then the Sawyer Markets is doing the same shit. Apex Trader, I'm pretty sure they closed down as well. Like, how can you be giving out like millions and then, oh yeah, guys, like no funds? They're not giving out millions, bro. It's all a marketing scam to blow up the influencers. Yeah, I just checked them out on my phone.
I'm not sure. Maybe they are, maybe they're not. But yeah, he doesn't have as big of an influence in the market, to be
Nah,
honest.
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Like, I don't have much of influence. He's got 4,000 followers. Yeah, I've got 5,000. And what did I do with 5,000 followers, bro? Banked 70 students, made 180K. Like, you get what I mean? You don't have that much. You don't need that many followers to make that much money. You can just all you need is one person to understand what's going on. And this guy's probably scaling off that. Bro, like, he's making, how much is he making? Like, $20,000, $30,000 on 15-second charts. Like, look at his first highlight, bro. He's making that much money and he's on 15-second charts, bro. I call it cap, bro. You're not putting in that many lot sizes because, one, the broker's gonna fuck you. And then, two, like, you're not making that much money in that many seconds. Like, he's showing a trade where 30 seconds in, he's making, like, 20 bags. Nah, I don't believe that shit, bro.
But yeah.
Nah, be careful. You can learn the shit, but just be careful. But am I just missing on these trades, bro? Like, okay, so crypto's done for the day. I reckon we check out these tomorrow, and then afterwards, yeah, I'll stream tomorrow in London. But yeah, that's it for the day, guys. Thank you guys for joining in, tuning in. See ya. Oh, how do I exit?